Hi, I'm Ira with SoundCurve. SoundCurve now offers the full line of Yealink T5 series phones. Today we're going to be looking at the Yealink T54. The T54 offers a great balance between features and low price point. We're going to be unboxing it, going through some of the features, and telling you why we really like this phone. All Yealink phones come well packaged with all the contents neatly tucked away. Owner's manual. The phone is sitting right on top, comes in a protective sleeve. Then the rest of the contents are under this cardboard flap. Ethernet cable, power supply, handset, also in a sleeve. The cord that goes between the handset and the base. And then finally, the stand that props the phone up. The stand sits right in these slots, slides right into place very easily, and there you have it, all the contents that are in the box. The Yealink T54 has DSS keys that are located to the left and to the right of the LCD screen. These keys can be custom programmed for the unique call management needs of your office. We'll be going over those functions in another video. So right now what we're going to do is we're just going to go through some of the basic features that this phone includes, no matter what service you have, whether it's SoundCurve or another carrier. So the first cluster of buttons over here on the right side of the phone, this first one is a headset button. So if you have a headset plugged into the back, you can press that. It'll actually illuminate green and that'll activate your headset. This button here is mute, so if you don't want your caller to hear your audio, you can mute them while on a call. It doesn't light up right now because you're not on a call. This button is your voicemail button, so it's a shortcut key to your voicemail. If you have a voicemail indicator in the LCD screen, you can hit that button, which will take you over to the voicemail system. The next button is a hold button. So basically this button will, if your phone system has hold music like SoundCurve does, the caller will hear hold music, and then to pick the call back up, you can just simply press that button again. This button here is the redial button. This button is a transfer button, so if you want to transfer a call to another extension in the office, you would hit that button, the extension number. Some phone systems make you hit that button again and hang up, and that call will be transferred to the extension. And then finally, the speakerphone button. So if you press that, the phone basically turns into a speakerphone. Of course, you have your standard set of keys over here. And then over on the left, you have a set of navigation keys and an OK key, and then of course an X key and a volume key. That works for both on-call volume, speakerphone volume, and ringer volume. So to access the menu, you would hit menu, and then you can use these keys to go through and select different options. So this phone has quite a few other features: call forwarding, call waiting, auto answer, DSS keys, DND, which stands for Do Not Disturb. You can also have a directory. You can input numbers manually. You can also upload an Excel sheet to the phone via the graphic user interface. And I'm just going to go back. You can always hit back by hitting the X button. You can also access the call's history, the phone's history, and messages. You can access your voicemail. You have another sub-menu, basic menu, where you can select between things like time and date, display, sound, and your PIN number. There are another bunch of advanced features that you can access under the advanced, but you do need a password. And then of course, finally, your USB. The phone does have a USB upload capability with a USB port on the back of the phone where you can upload Excel spreadsheets for your directory or other information. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back soon with another video. Brought to you by SoundCurve, your trusted source for business VoIP service.